Hello and welcome to SustainCast. I'm your host, Inji Moheb, and we are currently at the Forbes Middle East Sustainability Leaders Summit, and we are joined by the CEO of Emirates Cement, which is part of EMSTEEL Group, Hugo Losada. It's a pleasure to have you with us today, Hugo.
Hello, thank you for having me, Andy.
So we're about halfway through our very first day at the Forbes Middle East Sustainability Leaders Summit. So before we get started, I just wanted to ask you how your day has been so far.
It's been a very exciting day. It started with some music and a very nice presentation by Her Excellency. And we have a very interesting group of panelists who had the opportunity to present in the morning and discuss a number of points on our decarbonization journey. So far, so good.
Wonderful. And I think as we have more and more conversations throughout the summit, it's becoming very obvious how sustainability has become such a crucial and strategic priority across many different industries. So from your perspective, what do you think is driving this shift, and how do you see it shaping the future of business in the region?
Well, definitely the world has changed a lot over the last 10 years, and sustainability has become not only an option, but actually an obligation for every company. And the beautiful part of the last trend is that it has become also very positive for the businesses. So it's not been a burden, as some people expect, but really positive to the bottom line and opening avenues of collaboration that before we never considered. So it's been quite interesting, much more faster than what we expected. But we are also at the forefront as EMSTEEL in terms of innovation and in decarbonization and in general in sustainability.
That's wonderful. I think it's very important that you're staying ahead because, yes, the change we're seeing is very, very fast. And MSteel recently launched TrueGreen, which is its new sustainability identity. How does this framework strengthen the company's leadership in low carbon manufacturing? And what makes it different from more conventional sustainability programs?
The TrueGreen program, the focus is on accountability, on showing our customers, the whole society, that we are true to our word when it comes to decarbonization, when it comes to sustainability. Every product in our steel family has an EPD. It's providing full transparency over the actual CO2 contents, which are, by the way, among the lowest in the world as a consequence of measures we have been taking over the years, like carbon capturing in partnership with ADNOC, like the first electrolyzer, hydrogen electrolyzer in the region for steel manufacturers. That is also giving us the first net zero mosque in partnership with Aldar. So TrueGreen is consolidating all these initiatives under the umbrella of a true carbon declaration and a true and transparent picture for all of our customers to see of which is our performance from a decarbonization standpoint.
I think that's a great point. And I think it's especially relevant when we try to look at how sectors like cement manufacturing are under growing pressure to decarbonize. So beyond energy efficiency, what alternative materials or production methods do you see as most promising for cutting emissions in this field?
In cement specifically, well, and as part of the EMSTEEL Group, the first thing we did was look at our backyard. And it became very, very clear that the waste products from one industry could be utilized by the other industry. In this case, the slags that are typically in most parts of the world in waste of and going to landfills are being now used by our cement operation as a substitute to a natural resource, in this case limestone. So this project, which is a first in the world, it hasn't been done before. We had to scout for a company, in this case from Finland, that is helping us with all the research and later on with the actual industrialization of the process. We did a first industrial project or trial 2 months ago. Now we're going for the industrial phase, for the food production phase, which should be happening sometime in the first quarter of 2026. So we're trying to complete the circularity angle within EMSTEEL And once we are with zero waste, we're also looking beyond, that's where collaborations like the ones we are having with Tadwir become very important also, to use waste from other industries into our process.
Incredible. I mean, so much to look forward to. Thank you so much, Mr. Hugo. It's been amazing having this conversation with you.
Thank you, Ete.
Thank you
very
so
much.